How much strong is your company on technology front?
Very strong now. Through our subsidiary, we own 1,000 patent rights. We have the highest number of patents live that exist in the industry. With any Indian company, we have 200 live patents. We also have world's best intellectual properties and brands. So that is also a factor that distinguishes us from us compared to our competitors.
What would you like to say about your R&D and quality standards?
We have now built R&D facility in Germany as well as in Singapore both. We have top of the line research going on, which would be actually a game changer for industry. Those are the innovations which are very unique globally and not only India centric but also worldwide, affecting dice industry in terms of introducing innovations and innovative products.
What is your message for shareholders?
I think the next 2 to 3 years would be a crucial time for Kirit Dyson Chemicals Limited. Its investments overseas as well as its investments into joint ventures would bring a lot of value creation to the shareholders, and I see that next 2 to 3 years all shareholders who would invest in the company would benefit to a greater extent.
What is your business philosophy?
We like to have all our stakeholders and shareholders, which are also part of stakeholders, benefit with the value creation. Our message to all shareholders is that we would be creating a lot more value internationally for this company, and that value creation process would benefit all of us as a company, its employees, its stakeholders, its shareholders, and all the ancillaries who work with the company and grow along with.
How do you foresee your company 3 years from now?
I think we would be the largest. We are already a largest player globally in the industry, but 3 years from now, we would be one of the most profitable company globally in dyestuff industry.
Any other highlight of your company you may like to mention?
You have covered almost all the critical points. What I would like to mention in addition to that is we are going to grow for all the benefits and value creation for all people, and we at the end of the day are also responsible for environment and ecology, and we would also create standards. We would establish standards of ecology, and we would give an exemplary view to the industry, the way we are going to improve technology to comply and also to protect the ecology and environmental standards globally.
Thank you.